Making your akamu or ogi from scratch to finish is the best thing that can never happen to anybody right now in Nigeria, because things are very, very expensive, and you get to know what goes into your body, because these days you don't know what water they use to process things. You have to be super careful, though you cannot be 100% careful, but very, very careful. So this akamu, it's going to last, because it is enough. I made enough, like just 1.5 pints of corn. I made enough. Now this is corn, this is the yellow corn, and I have some Guinea corn, that's the red one or brown one, then the millets, the white one. Now I'm just going to soak this for 3 days, changing the water every day. If you are in a humid environment, a warm environment like Nigeria, then you have to soak for about 3 days, 3 to 4 days, changing the water every day. But if you are in a cold environment, then you have to be changing the water every day for a whole week so that it ferments well. Now, after I finish blending the corn, after the 3rd day, I'm going to add some water to a pot, a very big pot, or into a bowl if you have a bowl, a very, very big bath. Now, I'm going to get my cheesecloth, place it into another small bowl by the side. This method of doing akamu is the best. I've blended the corn already. I'm just going to pack some of it, not everything, into this cheesecloth. Get this cheesecloth, guys. This is a lifesaver. Like, it's in 10 minutes time you're out of here. It's not the one that you tie big cheesecloth to one big bath and start doing akamu hand like this. Like, in 10 minutes you're out of here. Watch what I'm doing. After that, just put it in the pot and just start removing your akamu. As easy as ABC. Just do this, repeat this process, and that's it. So guys, if you are enjoying what you are seeing and you like my content, you've been watching, or you are new, hey, please support me. Click the subscribe button and like this video. Thanks a lot. It will help me grow. Now you can see how I'm doing it. Just do it carefully, and you can see that's it. Now, do not throw this shaft away. I'm still going to use it for something. It's not time to give it to the chickens. Just set it aside. Do not allow flies perch on it, because it's not hygienic at all. Just set it aside. You can see the shaft. I'm using it for something. Just set it aside. Now you want to repeat the process of the akamu. That's getting the akamu out of the shaft. Repeat it again and again and again and again till everything is complete. You are done with everything in the buckets. Now, what you want to take note of is that you don't be squeezing akamu like that. Don't be squeezing it like this. If that thing bursts, that's the end. You will start all over again. Don't do it like that. Just do it gently, and you can see everything is ready. Set that aside. Now, the shaft, I just put it in the bucket, added enough water to it, and I'm going to do this again. Like, try to get more pap from it. Some people throw this away, but no, I do it 2 times. I call it double authentication. I do it twice. I try to get as much pap as possible from it. Nothing is wasted in this current Nigeria. Like I said earlier on, if you are enjoying my video, hit the subscribe button and like this video. Thanks a lot. Now you can see this second batch will be very, very easy to remove. In like 30 seconds, you've gotten everything out. That is as easy as ABC. That's it. Then you want to set this aside. Set the 2 of them aside, the one in the bowl and in the pot aside till the next day. Now this is it, the shaft. You can now dry this and give it to your chickens, your dogs, any animal that eats this, give it to them. Or if you want to use it for swallow, you can use it for swallow as well. Now this is it after it sat overnight and everything has settled, and I drained out the water. This is the akamu. This is the real deal. This is the bibioko. You can see how clean, how good it's looking. At least you get to know what is going into your body. And this is the double authentication. The other one, look at the amount of pap I got from it. That would have been wasted. When you are making akamu for yourself, you need to have a personal bed sheet, pillowcase rather, for your akamu, so that you will drain out more water from it. So I'm just going to add in the akamu gong to the pillowcase, and I'm just going to set this aside, just like this, and set it aside. Put it on a wood so that it can drain out all the water. After about 6 hours, this is what you have. The akamu is ready, everything is ready. And like I said earlier on, did I say it? I don't know if I said it, but I processed 1.5 pints of corn, and this is what I'm having. I got more than 1 pint of akamu. You can see it's almost the same thing, almost the same quantity that I got back. So it's very, very profitable to do it yourself than buying outside, and you get to know what is going into your body. Now let's look at the double authentication, what we got from it. This is the cheesecloth. I believe the bed sheet I put the double authentication in. This is it. Let's see what we have here. This second one, I got exactly one big takeaway. That big one, not the flat one, not that small one, the big one. I got one full plate of it akamu. This is what some people normally waste. They think they know it all. This is what they waste whenever they just do it once. This is what they waste. And it was also very, very nice. So guys, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video. Thanks a lot, and see you all in the next one.